run this Lens Studio, you can click on this one and it will bring up a screen like this. To use this Lens Studio software, you need to log in to the website. Just like tap on this one, it will bring you the login on website. By this, you will be able to start to use this software. Okay, sometimes the web connection is no good. You need to do it again. Once you log in successfully, you will be able to get into this working environment. Here we already installed some lenses. Okay, we call it lenses or projects already. So if you click on this project, LensStudioTutorial01, which is a project I already built in. Okay, it needs to specify which camera is supposed to work. So here actually it's setting this way. If you install additional web camera, it will appear here like a Sony webcam or whatever. So you select your basic camera, it starts with, and you click that one, and your face will be appear on this one. Okay, let me just explain how you create your avatar using this software. On the right side, you can see that as you check on the pre-built instance, you can see that images change. So it's adding all the images if you click. So now you can see that this lip paint is clicked on. This paint is clicked, and here, sorry for the Korean. So this is a tattoo of Tyson. Okay, maybe I can change the name. Ty. Is this spelled right? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so if you uncheck this one, you'll see that the tattoo is appeared or not. And there are many sample characters I already made. So here you can check some Brad Pitt, right? You can select many characters together. Sometimes according to the condition how it is selected, that characters will merged, integrated, but sometimes that according to its setting, it is not possible to integrate each other. So for this case, probably DiCaprio, the uppermost one will be layered on the uppermost side of the layer. It really depends on if you. Okay, let me just check here. Brad Pitt. You can change the properties. when you select the object of the character, you will be able to see that the in the inspector you can see how it is aligned. As you can see, the blend mode is hard light. So this image, the Brad Pitt, you can click and you can select starting from disabled. I still can see because the Brad Pitt is selected. Okay, this is purely overlay, right? You can see the different. The overlay is that non-morphing, non-integration of the with the real image. It's just picture you can see now. Of course, you can put the tattoo on it. Is it okay? But depending on, I guess, where is located, like I can drag tattoo up here. See, you cannot see the tattoo because the Brad Pitt image is over the layer of the Tyson tattoo, and the Brad Pitt image is like a blend mode is disabled. Okay, because this disabled, it's not blending, so only Brad Pitt image is appearing on the top of Tyson tattoo. You cannot see it. But if you select other ones like this, so this normal thing is not the disabled, blend mode disabled. So now this blend mode is normal, so it blend the image of the Tyson tattoo, even it is underneath of the layer. You can see the Tyson tattoo, which is located underneath of Brad Pitt. So let's see this not tattoo. This Brad Pitt menu. Go back normal, and some other options I liked is that normal and let's go overlay. So overlay is a little bit different, but in the overlay, probably you can check the alpha by adjusting the alpha. You can see that from me to Brad Pitt, you can select the transparency of this character with which is blended with my original camera view. Okay, overlay is some other thing is that soft light, hard light, and the glass. So those are 3 or 4 major effect blend mode I use. So let's see the soft light. You can see the difference. Even in the soft light, you can change the alpha or maybe different. Hard light is a little bit okay. More light, right? Also, alpha is possible. And let's go to glass. So a little bit different. It still has alpha with it, right? Does alpha work for this one? Let's check. Right, like this. So you can select the characters you like, which is pre-made or ready-made, and you can blend all those images to create the final ones. But if some of them is set as overlay or non-blending, that will be dominant of the image. And when it's dominant image, it how it looks like is defined by the by which layer it is located. Okay, let's do it. This way. All right. Then after that, you can integrate this display part with the OBS system. That will come in the next section of the video. To create new image things, probably you can do what you can do is that if you add one character your own, you can I suggest you to start with duplicate. Here, duplicate. Okay, so this one is duplicate. You can change the name like what is your duplicate? Your own. Okay, instance. Okay, if you click this one, okay, let's suppose you are making new one. Okay, deselect this one and duplicate. If you select a duplicate, it has K-handsome because it duplicated K-handsome 2. That's exactly like that one. But if you like to change the image of this one as a new character, you can see that in the texture, you can see the Korean actor 02. If you click this one, you can see the many images you already created. See? So by selecting like this, so duplicate 01, you can see that you can change that one. And you see that morphing is a little bit strange. For that case, you can, for this part, you can, the scene probably. Okay, this is the image of what you just selected. And here you can remap these things. Okay, to create new instance of the character. Okay, going back to object. Okay, duplicate. But sometimes you want to import your own image, right? So you want to change the texture. So you just drag a new picture into this place and you select that one. Like that, you get some picture of somebody and make a picture as a image format. You click and drag down here and that image will appear like this one. Drag and drop. So image, click and drag and drop. After that, you select that image. Okay. And okay. Okay, that was wrong. Not Tyson Tattoo, it was Einstein, I said. Okay. Okay, Einstein, like this. Because it's mop, you need to mop the face in right way. As I told you, go to scene. Here you just click this one to remapping the things. Now it works. Okay. As I told you before, after this you can select the blend mode, maybe soft light, and you change, okay, the alpha things here. If you want more hard light, you can this way, and you find the best blending options. This way you can create image, create your own character. So no opacity text means the texture. If you click this one, sometimes I don't know. I don't actually understand what this no text means, but sometimes the texture is gone, but this case is not. I think it depends on the blend mode. And draw mouse will change the color of teeth. It's not working good way now, but yeah, sometimes when you have a trouble in showing the teeth and the color, okay, and by clicking this one you can change that one. Use original face, it will just show the original face. The good thing about this, then you can get a good image of yourself, capture the picture and use it for this case. By that way, okay, you don't have to worry about the lights like this. I'm working very bad light here, but the light really doesn't matter as long as you use the characters like this. So it provides very robust production environment.